how's it going? Today I'm going to go ahead and draw Sonic grinding like a rail. So it's going to be simple, easy for beginners. Let's get started, okay? Really cool pose. I really like it. I'm going to go right here into his eye right off the bat. And I'm going to do that, furrowing of his eye, right? Where it's kind of like, he's kind of like always angry. He's always, that brow is always down. Curve up, down. Right on. Now I'm going to go right here. I'm going to find the top of his mouth. Line over here, up over here, down for the far side of his eye. It's kind of like one big shape. Curve, curve over here, line, line, curve over here, and triangle right there for his ear. A full triangle for the inner ear. And what I'm going to do on this side now is I'm going to go here, find the edge of the brow and the top of his spike right there. While I'm here, I'm going to find the other far side ear, right? And I'm going to find the bottom of his mouth right there. Smile. Curve in, go down here to the spike, down, curve up, back here, and it's gonna be 3 spikes. I'm gonna decide to show 3 spikes there. Right on. Now I'm gonna think of his body as like a bean shape, pretty much. Curve right here. Line, curve, line for his arm. His arm is like a tube. And I'm going to find his finger aiming here. Thumb over here. Curve over here. Line, line right there for the other fingers. And I'm just going to curve a line here for the rest of the palm. Line down, spike on his back over there. See that spike pull in a little bit and down into the rest of his bean body. Now I'm going to go here, I'm going to find the discoloration on the front of him. Out here for his leg, down. His leg is literally just like a stick figure leg. It's pretty much just a tube. Line out over here for his tube-like leg. Find it on the other side over here of his hand. Curve for his sock right there. You see his sock angled. And now you're gonna find the shoe right there. It's just like a point. Curve, so you see the underside of the shoe. Square for the latch side of the shoe. And we're gonna draw the rail there. I guess we might as well just draw the rail now. I'm gonna draw that rail now. He's grinding that rail. I think it was Sonic Adventure 2, right, where he started grinding rails, where he started it. It's really awesome. And then curve underneath to make that rail there as well. It's gonna complete it. Line back over here for his hand going backwards. You're probably not really gonna see his hand behind his hair, so we'll just leave it like that. And then we have his shoe right here. Shoe right there, top of that shoe. Curve right here. Line for the actual line on the shoe, right? The design. Same thing goes for this one as well. You can throw that line right there. And that's mostly it. What you can do is you can kind of make a slightly thicker line just around most of his body. And that's going to give it a kind of a unified look, just kind of on the outside. I like doing that for a lot of stuff. I don't know if you've noticed that or not, but I do that for a lot of things. It's just a cool design element, makes things look more like a sticker. I just enjoy it. I think it's a pretty fun motif to do on a lot of stuff. That kind of comes off a little bit complicated. Don't forget, by the way, I teach how to draw anything you want, like every day on YouTube here. So hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification if you like drawing anything like this, like Sonic or cartoons. I go over realistic stuff as well. I go over dinosaurs a lot on the channel as well. But if you really want to learn how to draw from scratch, let's say you just started learning and you don't know what to do, as far as like maybe you have jittery hands or something like that, you have like issues, go to the official website, sketchingeasy.com, and click on the dragon. When you do that, you're gonna learn the basics of drawing there. That's what I go over there, the complete basics, like how to get rid of shaky hands. Just it's basically geared for someone who's barely ever drawn in their life. So go check that out, sketchingeasy.com, and click that dragon. That's it. That's Sonic grinding. You can draw the lines here for the bottom of the shoe. Whew, but that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You guys are amazing. What I want you to do is I want you to reach out to me. I guess I could do more solid line here on whatever the rail he's grinding. You guys are amazing. I get a lot of amazing feedback. I'm going to reply to every single comment. So comment anything. Say hi. Say what's up. If you guys want to collab, let me know. If anybody else at the YouTube channel there wants to collab, like message me in the comments and find a way. I'll give you a way to reach me. Thank you so much. Wait, hold on. One last thing. Let me curve right here in the palm of the hand. Fill in most of the nose, not quite all of it. See, the rest of it's all just detail, and you're trying to figure out what you want forward and what you want back. So his hair, or his spikes, come in front of his arm back there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a slightly thicker line here. It can be super thick, slightly thick, really up to you. So that's kind of something you want to work on constantly, right? At perfecting certain things in art. Like right here, this hand crosses in front of this arm, so maybe make it a little bit thicker. Doesn't always have to be, because what we're doing here is we're going over style. So one more thing, kind of curve here in the hand. The other thing you can do if you want to help the channel out is to share the video with someone. So if you know someone that likes Sonic, that wants to draw Sonic, share this video on their, I don't know, Twitter, Reddit, do people use Facebook anymore? Probably not. I'm not sure. Some people do. But yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you next time, and I'll say hi to you very soon. Hopefully, you have a great day, okay? I'll see you next time.